My name is Huzaifa. I am from Pakistan. I am currently studying International Hospitality Business Management at IMI. I did my level 4 and level 5 from Islamabad here in Switzerland for the level 6 BA. For the first 6 months I did my studies. The last 6 months currently I am doing my internship at Fondue House Du Pont restaurant. I choose Switzerland because it is known as hospitality hub. I choose IMI Management Institute because it is the one of the top hospitality institute and the teachers are very supportive. The practical learning here really prepares students for the real industry. The IMI career department supported me throughout the entire process. They helped me to prepare for the interviews and guide me step by step until I secured my internship at Fondue House Du Pont restaurant. My role and responsibilities include welcoming the guests, assisting them to their tables. I present the menu, take orders and serve the food and beverages and handles the bills and payments. Working in Switzerland taught me about high hospitality standards and the importance of being on time. I learned to pay attention to small details and work well in the team. I also learned how to work with the people from different culture. First of all, I really appreciate my teachers because they are very supportive and give me personal attention to students. The classes are very interactive, which makes learning easier. It also values how IMI helps the students to find the internship at excellent places, giving us a real practical experience in the industry. My future career plans is to working internationally in hospitality for around 10 years. After this, I want to make my own restaurant back in Pakistan. I want to introduce Pakistani cuisine and telling about the dishes, different dishes of Pakistan to all around the world. One practical piece of advice I would like to give for the future students is that hard working is the key of success, and always be ready for the new skills, and they will help you throughout the entire career and your life.